Hi everyone, welcome to in this video. In this video, I be going to discuss about HCF by prime factorization method. HCF is highest common factor. First of all, the concept of highest common factor. The highest common factor is the highest number which divides two or more numbers. HCF is common divisor or factor of two or more numbers. Among common factors, highest factor is HCF. Here consider two numbers 12 and 18. Factors of 12 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factors of 18 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 are common factors. But highest factor is since highest common factor of 12 and 18 is 6. Next step, prime factorization method. This is one method for easiest way to calculate highest common factor of two or more numbers. Here consider one example. That is highest common factor of 36, 84 and 120. Steps involved in this calculation. First, prime factorization of each number with the exponential form. 36, 2 power 2 and 3 power 2. 84, 2 power 2 into 3 into 7. 120, 2 cube into 3 into 5. Next step, product of common prime factors. Here two type of prime factor is there. Common prime factor and non-common prime factor. 2 and 3 is common prime factor, 7 and 5 is non-common prime factor. In HCF calculation, we can exclude non-common prime factors. For calculation of HCF, no need to take non-common prime factors. In HCF calculation, only take common prime factors only. So product of common prime factors 7 and 5 is can remove 7 and 5 and take only common prime factor 2 and 3. Step 3, product of common prime factors with the smallest power. Here common prime factor is 2 and 3. Highest power is 2 cube and smallest power is 2 square. So HCF calculation only take 2 square. Smallest power. In the case of 3 square and 3. 3 is the smallest power. So 2 square into 3. So HCF of 36, 84, 120 is 12. In LCM calculation, product of all the prime factors and prime factors of highest power. In the case of HCF, product of common prime factors and common prime factors with the smallest power. This is the method for calculation of HCF by prime factorization method. Thank you for watching.